It's your girl, Deshaun. So you said y'all had chicken breast and chicken what?
Chicken legs.
Chicken legs? Chicken breasts are my favorite. That is my favorite kind of chicken to eat.
Chicken leg is my favorite.
Is that right? Why is chicken leg your favorite?
It's bigger.
Not bigger than a chicken breast. Chicken breast is far much bigger than a chicken leg.
No, I'm talking about a big chicken. Like, if it was this kind of chicken, it would be small. If it was this kind of chicken, my leg would be so big. But it was big.
And I know you enjoyed the blueberries.
I know, but my blueberries was mushed up.
So, what else? Did you?
Carrots.
But what else?
I ate 2 at the time.
What else did you enjoy about school today?
I enjoyed, like, they said today we're going to smash up some pumpkins.
Y'all smashed some pumpkins?
Yeah, outside for recess.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it was our science.
So what else did y'all do today?
And I want to eat my pumpkin seeds. I want to eat the pumpkin seeds.
You want to eat the pumpkin seeds?
Yeah, but we had to use that to make pumpkin soda.
Pumpkin soda?
Yeah, we had to make the pumpkin soda, and I'm talking about like we had a soda and a pumpkin put it inside, and then we put those, we're trying to make it into like, make the pumpkin seeds break, but I want those pumpkin seeds.
I know you like pumpkin seeds. So,
Well, I can just have 1 or 2 or 3 or
what
4
else did
or
y'all
5
do today?
or 100. We planted some and we can eat some.
Y'all planted some and so y'all could eat some?
Yeah.
So, how was school today?
What do you say?
I said, so how you say school was today?
It was good and kind of bad.
And kind of bad.
Yeah.
What made it bad?
Because someone skipped me in the line when it was time to go home, and it hurt my feelings.
Somebody skipped you in line?
Yeah.
And that hurt your feelings because somebody skipped you in line?
Yeah.
So what did you say to them when they skipped you in line?
I told the teacher, but she said no talking.
You told the teacher and she told you no talking?
Yeah, we was outside. We can't talk.
So y'all was outside and y'all was lined up and somebody got in front of you.
No, when I was in the line, they thought I skipped in front of them, but I got right there first.
So somebody thought you skipped them, so they got in front of you. And you didn't say anything?
I did.
What did you say?
I said, you skipped me, and because we was friends, but we're not
Y'all was
friends.
friends?
We're not friends no more.
You're not friends no more?
Yeah, the persons who be mean to me, they're not gonna be my friends no more.
So when he skipped you in line, what did you say to him?
I said, you skipped me, I'm not gonna be your friend no more, so I'm never gonna be your friend. And they said sorry, I'm still not gonna be your friend. But they hurt my feelings.
So he skipped you in line and he apologized. He said he was sorry.
Yeah, but our teacher said if you hurt someone, it's gonna be your fault. Because if they don't forgive you, it's your fault.
But the thing is, he skipped you and he apologized.
Yeah, but I still didn't forgive him.
That's not nice. When someone apologized to you, because he probably did not know that he had skipped you. So when he apologized, when he said he was sorry.
No, he was sorry because he thought I wasn't going to tell the teacher. But he did on purpose. For real. Not on accident. On purpose.
But okay, he skipped you on purpose, but he apologized to you.
Yeah, because the teacher said if they do it on purpose, they can't be sorry to you.
Okay, but I'm saying when he apologized to you, all he did was skip you in line.
And he did other things to me.
What else he do to you?
Like he was dragging me. I thought Miguel was dragging me because they both looked the same, but it wasn't Miguel.
So this whole time you thought it was Miguel that dragged you, and it wasn't Miguel. It was a whole different boy.
Yeah, it was James.
I don't know.
And he didn't say sorry to me, so that's why I'm not his friend no more. But
Okay.
I'm still Miguel's friend.
You don't have to be his friend. But if he apologized to you and he said it and he really meant it and it came from his heart.
He don't love me. He don't got trust.
I didn't say
Someone else got a crush on me.
I didn't say that he loved you, and I didn't say he had a crush on you.
But someone do have a crush on me.
I said that if he apologized to you, all you had to say to him was okay. That's all you had to say. You didn't have to be, just because somebody is rude to you, don't mean you have to be rude back to them. You don't stoop down to their level.
Yes,
Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
So, yes, he skipped you in line.
And he dragged me.
And he dragged you. Or you're not even sure if it was him that dragged you. For a whole month or two, you have been saying it was the other boy who dragged you. So you're not even sure who dragged you. So that is in the past.
I was looking at their hair, but they didn't have the same hair. They was just.
It don't matter. That happened in the past. We're talking about in the present about what happened today. Today he skipped you in line, and you know that for sure. And you also know for sure that he apologized to you. So when an incident happened, when something happens and someone apologizes about it and they sincerely mean it and they say it, you tell them, okay. You know what I'm saying? If he said that he is sorry.
You're not supposed to say okay. You're supposed to say forgive me.
Well, that's if you forgive him. If you forgive him, say, okay, I forgive you. But if you don't forgive him, just say, okay. But the fact is, he apologized to you. So that's a good thing. Because some people, they do things to you, and they continue to do rude and mean things to you, and they will never apologize.
He was a good person. That's how he got treated.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. He was a good boy, so it.
But probably he was guilty of it.
But listen,
Some people are guilty.
When he skipped you in line, that was his wrongdoing. When you turned around and told him that you weren't gonna be his friend and you got an attitude with him, that was your wrongdoing. Two wrongs don't make a right.
I didn't have an attitude.
It doesn't matter. The boy apologized to you. And two wrongs do not make a right. He was wrong by skipping you, and you was wrong for, you know what I'm saying, not accepting his apology. So when you see him the next time that y'all are able to talk to each other in class,
we never can talk.
Whenever.
Only on free time.
Okay, on free time. Whenever,
we don't have a lot of free time, so
okay.
I can't talk to him.
Listen, whenever you get a chance to talk to the boy, whenever that time is.
Because
Allison.
He's number 11. I can't. I'm
the next time you are able to talk to him, whether it be after school, during playtime, during recess, whenever you get a chance to talk to him, you tell him, I accept your apology. You need some water? Yeah.
some reason for the. All right. Chi, your mama nasty.
Thanks for watching.